Ayun, no, nagsiswimming yung tatlo. Nauna na sila. Ang init-init, grabe. Diyos ko, hindi ko kinaya dun sa Taytay. Dun sana ako matutulog. Nagbago isip ko. Sumakit yung bato ko kanina dun. Kaya bumalik kami, sumama. Hello, good evening. Ay, ang presko-presko talaga dito. Good evening everyone. Lakad-lakad lang ako dito sa may pool kasi sobrang init. Magsiswimming kami. Sayang naman yung passes na kasama, libre.
If you are seated at the
start lang pero wala pang masyadong
your
tao.
nearest exits are the two doors located on the right. If you're on the second floor,
peace. Peace in our hearts, peace in our homes, peace in our communities, and peace in our country. 9 a.m. in the morning because you're trying to get to the peak before sunrise. And 1 hour into the hike, all of us priests were thinking the same thing.
Tapos tapos na ang mass after 2 hours ang lamig para dito sa PICC.